Hey, this is Dave We Like, and I'm checking out a unique product from PineTales. This is their brand new Hemp Hulls pillow. There are two pillowcases included. The outer pillowcase is made of bamboo. It's really soft to the touch and nice. Now, when we zip it on open, we're going to get the inner pillowcase, and that's made out of cotton. And this is going to be containing the hemp hulls. If you want to make the pillow softer, all you have to do is just take a cup in here, scoop some of these hemp hulls out. Also included with this pillow is a quick sheet describing what to look on out for to get in that best position. I think the outer pillowcase is actually really a cool design because it's of constellations, so you've got this starry night look to it. And since again this is a bamboo case, it's going to be antimicrobial as well as cool to the touch. Because this pillow is made out of hemp hulls, you are going to be hearing them move around as you move your head around. It's not too loud by any means, and I actually think it's nice and soothing. It reminds me of beach sand. This pillow really holds your head into place. Unless you actively move your head, you really won't be fidgeting around. I didn't take any of the hemp hulls out, and I like it because there's a nice firm feeling to it. This is like the perfect travel size pillow because it's not too large, but not too small. You don't feel like you're gonna roll off of it in the middle of the night. I find this pillow really comfortable, whether or not I'm sleeping on my sides or on my back or even on my stomach. Do understand that there is a very slight earthy smell to it. I've gotten completely used to it. It's so subtle. It doesn't negatively impact my sleep. It just makes me feel like I'm sleeping outside, which is kind of cool. If you're looking for a pillow that's both natural and comfortable, look no further than PineTales. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below, as well as please subscribe to this channel for more videos coming soon.